Hi everyone, my name is Aastha and you're watching my channel Art with Aastha. For today's video, I will show you how to make a gift box. For the box, you will need these items. Now you will take your ruler and make a line across. Then count a few centimeters and make another line. Then you will have two parallel lines. Now count a few centimeters from the side. I have counted 2 here for the flaps. But just don't forget, do it only on one side. Then it will look like this. Now turn the page like this and make a few slant lines like this. Now take your pencil and color the parts like this. Just this too. It will now divide this part into 4 parts. I will make all of them 5 by 5 centimeter. Like this, you have made 4 blocks. Now you make a line like this. Then again you make a line like this. Now turn it around like this, and from the half here make it till this line and do like this. Then again put it like this. Now turn it around and from the center put it like this, then like this and like this. Then you should have made something like this. Now take your scissor and cut it out. Cutting, it will look like this. Now you will take your ruler and fold each and every line like this. Now you cut half of the this from under and above. It will look like this. It should be like this and like this. Now you will take your glue put a bit glue here. Spread it, and the extra glue, keep it with you. We will use it later. Now the extra glue, put it here. Spread it here and stick it like this. So this type, it will be formed like this. Now put glue on this side. Now again, if you took too much, it is alright. Spread it, use the extra glue later. And now stick it like this. So you will form the base like this. The base is formed. Now you put a bit glue here behind. Spread it nicely and stick it like this. Open it and stick it. So, and then keep it like this for a little time, so it will get sticked. Now once it is sticked, if you have gluey hands, wash your hands. If you do not wash your hands, it might ruin your box. Now keep your gift inside, and now for closing it, put the two flaps on. Then put it on and make a heart like this. So your gift box is ready. You can also decorate it on its heart. Your box is ready. If you wish, you can also decorate it. I have decorated like this using this tape. And now I am decorating it, and it looks like this. How did you like it? If you liked it, like the video and subscribe to my channel. For now, bye.